Welcome to Tools Insider, your ultimate destination for everything related to tools and equipment. Are you looking for the best wood lathe for beginners? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose wood lathe for beginners with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right wood lathe for beginners. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Delta Industrial Midi Lathe. Next, we have another beginner wood lathe that swings above its weight class. The Delta Industrial Midi Lathe has a powerful 1 HP motor, capable of handling even the most challenging beginner and semi-pro projects. The extra power comes in handy for heavier furniture. The 12.5-inch swing is one of the widest for a midi lathe. You can also use the extension to stretch the bed length to 42, giving you room to work on larger projects like chairs, banisters, tables, and a host of other products. Given its exceptional size, this midi lathe is great for beginners ready to develop their skills quickly. To help you along is a variable speed range with 3 pulley positions, going up to 1725 RPM. You also get 2 tool rests, one 6 and the other 10. One of the more spectacular features is that the Delta Industrial has forward and reverse spinning, from a simple switch. This makes it easier to get a smoother finish without having to dismount the piece and turn it over. This small device needs to be bolted down to a workbench, but not to worry, the cast iron build absorbs the vibrations. If anything doesn't go according to plan, you have a 5-year warranty to help you set it right. Number 2. Jet JWL 1015 vs Variable Speed Wood Lathe. When you find machines marketed at novices, you typically expect them to be substandard. However, when the product is made by one of the best wood lathe brands, you know it will be special. Running on a 0.5 HP motor, this wood lathe has all the power and precision you need for beginner projects and small-scale professional wood turning too. You can work on projects with a diameter of up to 10 inches, while the distance between centers is 15 inches. However, you can expand it to 21 with the bed extension and stand, sold separately. Speaking of the bed, the manufacturer has improved on the previous model by making it a bit wider. This gives you more room to maneuver, and it also makes the machine sturdier, which you'll need for the superb speed. The Jet Mini Lathe has 3 speed ranges: 200, 1050 RPM, 300, 1750 RPM, and 600, 3600 RPM. So, if you're a beginner in need of gentle practice or even blistering speed, you'll find both here. To top it off, you also get Jet's 5-year warranty. Number 3. Shopfox W1704 Benchtop Lathe. Here is a handy device perfect for beginners who aren't looking to scale up anytime soon, or are content turning pens. The Shopfox Benchtop Lathe runs on a small 1/3 HP motor, which gives you an idea of the size of projects you can work on. The 8-inch swing over bed is tied smallest on our list, or on any list for that matter. The distance between centers of 13 inches is also quite short. However, its small size makes it perfect for beginners or professionals who focus solely on pen turning, door handles, chess piece carving, and other small wood turning projects. Despite its petite features, the Shopfox W1704 has infinitely variable speed from 700 to an impressive 3200 RPM. There is a safety paddle switch just in case the speed gets away from you, as is common with beginners. Another pleasant feature is that this comes with 2 tool rests, a 4.5 inch and a 7-inch tool rest. The body is made of cast iron, which also helps to manage vibrations at high speeds. If we had one wish, it would be that this came with more than a 2-year warranty. Number 4. Jet JWL 1221 vs. Completing our list is another great product from a trusted brand. This one comes with a 12 swing over bed and 21 between centers, thus putting it firmly in the midi wood lathe category. This variable speed wood lathe has a 1 HP motor and a variable speed range of 600-3600 RPM. To make finding the right speed easier, it has a digital readout. Jet also developed a ratchet-style belt tension system to make adjusting speeds faster. To ensure the enhanced speed doesn't get away from you, this lathe has a removable safety key. You also get directional control, as switching between forward and reverse only takes a flick of the switch. One feature that is simple yet highly appreciated is the tool storage caddies, one on either side of the lathe. You also get 2 wood rests, a 6 and a 10 option. For all of its positive attributes, there have been a few complaints about quality control. Luckily, there is a 5-year warranty and a reachable customer service team to correct any errors. Number 5. Recon 70-105 Mini Lathe. The first tool on our list is a mini lathe built specifically for beginners and pen makers. However, don't let that fool you into thinking this is a flimsy wood lathe. On the contrary, the Recon 70-105 mini lathe packs a powerful 1/2 HP motor under the hood running on 375 watts. It has 5 speeds, ranging from 450 RPM to 2600 RPM, which is the required speed for pen making and is faster than some midi lathes. One thing that sets this apart from other mini lathes is its dimensions. It has a 10-inch swing and the distance between centers is 18 inches, making it long enough to accommodate many projects, including some chair and table legs. In all of its features, Recon has made an effort to go beyond any typical mini wood lathe, and this extends to the build material. This wood lathe machine is made from cast iron, making it sturdier and more reliable than aluminum. The sturdy cast iron construction also means it won't vibrate much, so your projects will be smoother. Included in the box are a live center, 6 tool rest, a knockout bar, and a few wrenches. The wrenches come in handy when changing the variable speed, which sadly, is not digital. There are other great features to comment on, but perhaps the most outstanding of them is this comes with a 5-year warranty. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.